Morning everybody. This is how I make money while living inside of my Honda Element for the past 3 years. Let's get into it. So our first stop for the day is over at Bonnie's house, and I'm going to take out her dog for a little walk. I started this as a little side hustle just to make a little bit of extra cash, and I love dogs. It's awesome. I get to play with dogs. I get to set my own prices. So we're at Bonnie's house. We're going to take her dog Nellie for a little walk. Good morning.
Good morning. You're early today.
All right. So the great thing about this gig is I can set my own hours. I charge $20 for this 30-minute walk. I get to enjoy the warm weather, and I also get to earn a little bit of money while doing it. So after we drop off Nellie, we'll go to our second gig, which is to walk Quinn and Stella. Go. Quinn, up. So for this walk, I'm making about $42, which makes our total $62 for the day. So after this walk, we'll go and teach one private Acroyoga class. So let's finish this walk and head over there next. Acroyoga and yoga are my big money makers. Plus this YouTube channel, of course, I pull in a little bit of money from that. The great thing about yoga and acroyoga when combined with van life is this job I can take anywhere. I don't need a lot of equipment to do it. I can do it in a park, or I can rent space at a local studio. And another great thing is that I can kind of stop and start this whenever I want. So if I want to take a little extended field trip, I can do that and then come right back to my work. And I think this is similar to like any trade out there. So maybe you're an electrician or a carpenter, or you have some sort of skill like that. The students will be here any moment now, so once they get here, I'll film a little bit of the routine that we're working on. I think it's super cool. My student Rana.
Hi.
Graduation day / performance day.
Yes.
We got the homie Jacob over here. We're gonna put on a show for you guys. Alright, well, I hope you guys enjoyed their brief performance. If you want to see the full video, I'll definitely add a link once I'm done editing that video. Now we're here at Raw Yoga. It's one of my favorite yoga studios to teach at, and we're going to teach one last yoga class and then call it a day for working. So far our running total is $137. I charge $75 for the private yoga. So for the yoga class, I charge $52 per hour. That brings our grand total to $187. If you add in the money that I made from YouTube, that'll bring our grand total to about $200, and that was for about 3.5 hours of work. So that's about $57 per hour. I think that's a pretty decent wage to do what I do, and my expenses are so low because I live inside the Honda Element. It's definitely enough income for my lifestyle. I think this goes without saying, but I'm not trying to like flex on anybody. I'm just trying to show you how I navigate making money while living in a van. Obviously everyone's van life situation will be slightly different. For me, I'm kind of in one place until I decide I want to travel, and then I could just take time off to travel. But there are a lot of jobs out there that are seasonal. Sometimes you can go work at national parks, or farming type of jobs are very seasonal. So those are some ideas if you're someone who likes to stay in one place to work for a bit, collect the money, and then go off and travel for a long time. That's something I know a lot of van life people do. So if you guys found this video helpful and informative, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so you can get more van life content just like this. And I would love to know how you make money with van life. There's so many ways you can get creative with this lifestyle, so let me know down in the comments, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.